And welcome back to the channel on a Sunday afternoon. Selection's kind of limited here. Just a quick reminder to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these videos, hit that like button. Start off in the executive aisle here. We got a Toyota Camry, Toyota RAV4. And I think that's a Highlander. We got a Jeep Grand Cherokee, Toyota Camry, and Nissan Titan pickup truck. Got a Ford Explorer with the wipers up. It says no key on it. And we got a Malibu, and I think that's a Kia that's backing in here. And we got another Nissan here with no key. And another Nissan over here with available. That's pretty much it for the aisles. Okay, we're at Miami Airport on a Sunday. It looks like they got almost about 10 Polestars in. It looks like these could actually be new. And they got 2 Kia electric vehicles here. And let's go down to the Polestars at the end. And there's another 2 over here. One of them is being charged. Okay, and we're back here at National on late Monday afternoon, early evening. And they've actually been sold out a fair bit lately, so there's not a lot to show you, but I'll just kind of show you the aisle. We're back in the executive aisle, and we're looking at a Dodge Challenger. And you can see this one's got the upgraded wheels on it. And if we take a look at the back, this is actually this is an all-wheel drive, or basically a 4x4. And the way you can tell is with this 4 on the back here. Some of the earlier models, I think the GTs were all-wheel drive, but 2021, I believe, Chrysler and Dodge kind of switched things up a little bit, so you can get the 4-wheel drive without the GT package. That one had about 25,000 miles. There's another one coming up here, similar mileage. I think around 28,000. We got a Toyota Camry, got a Kia K5, and here's another one of these Challengers. About the same mileage and also 4-wheel drive, and you can see it's got the upgraded rims on it. We got a Jeep, somebody's taking this Jeep Compass here, and it looks like somebody's taking this Ford Explorer. I think this is one of the newer ones. And we'll just come down here, we got a Mitsubishi, and it looks like they just pulled up a Durango with a Hemi in it. And we got a Jeep Grand Cherokee that's coming in here. And I think that's a Dodge Journey. Inside Premier Selection, we got a couple Range Rovers. Let's take a walk around the back here real quick. This one's got tinted windows in the back. Dodge, Journey, Crossroad. Grand Cherokee's Limited. And a Durango RT. This is a newer one too. It's got that 4 for the all-wheel drive on there. Let's take a quick look. We should be able to see the dash if it's newer inside. Yeah, it's got the newer dash inside. Not sure if you guys can see that mileage. It's only got about 3,000 miles on it. And no sunroof. And we'll just quickly go over to the other side here. Got not much in the aisle. We got a Nissan. I'm guessing that's an Altima. I think I'm getting a little bit better at this. I kind of like the black rims on this. I wonder if it's an Altima SR. Midnight. Yeah, it is. Altima Midnight. I guess the Midnight must be the blackout package on it. And is this a dealer car? I don't see a dealer sticker on it. Could very well be. Actually, it looks quite nice with a black trim on it. Let's take a quick peek inside. Almost 5,000 miles on it. Sunroof. Yeah, I kind of like that. And we got another Dodge Challenger here. This is just the base model. You can see the different rims on it here. Check the mileage. It's probably got a lot of miles on it. And 25,000 on there. Don't see this blue very often. We got a Ford Explorer here. Somebody's taking it. And we got a smaller Nissan SUV and a Toyota RAV4. I have a feeling this might be the Qashqai, which is called the Rogue Sport here. Okay. Yeah, I'm starting to get the hang of this here. Okay, and here we got the RAV4. This one's an XLE. And we just got one more RAV4 down here. Let's see what trim this is while we're here. And yeah, same trim here. I think these are fairly new. They probably got a few miles on them. But these started coming in a couple of weeks ago here. Yeah, 2,400 miles on them. And kind of wraps up the selection today. There's nothing in the regular Emerald Club aisle. But we'll kind of quickly go through some of the reserve. Okay, here we got those Range Rovers, and we'll just take a quick peek over here. We got a couple Polestars, electric. And on the other side we got 3 more. And we got a Nissan electric. I know what these are, but the name is escaping me here. Leaf. Yeah, it's a Leaf. Just as I walked around the back. And we have one of these Kia Niros. So these are all electric too. Don't quote me on this, but I think the range is about 200 miles maybe on those Kias. And we got another Polestar here. We walk around the corner. This would just be more of the reserve. Looks like we got Yukon parked here. Chrysler Minivan. A couple larger vans. We got a VW. We got a plug-in Pacific. We got a couple Chrysler Pacificas. This one's a plug-in. You can see the plug on the side there. And we got a Wrangler. We got a Suburban. These, just curious if these are new. Looks like it might be a new dash. Yeah, 3,000 miles. Yeah, I think that's a new dash. Actually looks pretty nice. Lots of space. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know if you guys see that animation there. Nice, very nice. A couple more Chrysler minivans, and then we just in behind here we get into Alamo. Okay, over at National we got a Range Rover in the Premier Selection. We got a Honda Accord. What was interesting is a Honda SUV here. Just scoot around the back and see if that's a CRV. Again, this is the executive aisle over at National. Early in the week here. Yeah, Honda Accord. And it's a Honda Passport Sport. I don't think I've seen one of those in the aisle before. We got a Pacifica Hybrid. Grand Cherokee. I'll loop around to the front here. We got a regular Pacifica. Looks like a V6 Dodge Charger. And a couple convertibles. We'll get to those shortly here. And yeah, there you can see the Pacifica. We've got we got a, looks like a BMW going into Premier Selection here. SUV. Might be a Cadillac behind it. There's that Dodge Challenger. Got a Mustang EcoBoost convertible. We got, looks like we got 3 of them here. And I'm just going to take a peek at the mileage on some of these. Some of these are, we're starting to get some newer ones in. And nope, 31,000. Check this mileage on this one here while we're here. Somebody's taking this, I think it's like a Jeep Compass beside us here. And yeah, these all got about 32,000 on them. I suspect the white one probably does too. There's 2 red Challengers over there. We'll get to those in a bit. Those are almost looking like they might be new. We got an Infiniti Q50 in the aisle. 9 9,000 miles on it. A little over 9,000. Another Pacifica. Another Challenger coming up beside it here. And we've got another Challenger. Another Mustang convertible. Another Pacifica. We've got a Chevy Traverse. Based on experience, I would say if you're looking for a convertible in the aisle, Mondays are usually a pretty good day, just because they often run out of cars. Could also be because it was raining a lot today. We got a Volvo S60 coming up here. We've got 2 more Chrysler Minivans. And actually another Chrysler Minivan. We got a Mitsubishi, we got a VW. Yeah, lots of Mustang convertibles. Here's another one. Got a Toyota Camry, another Mustang convertible. Actually, if you want a minivan, it looks like Monday's probably a pretty good day for that too. Another minivan. Here's these 2 red Dodge Challengers. Actually, I don't know why I thought they were new. I have a feeling these probably are not new. Let's just take a look at one of these here. 21,000 miles on it. And we got one of those plug-in hybrid Mitsubishis right here. You can tell it's the it's got the plug-in EV on the side here. And we got a VW. And I think it's a Ford Edge. What's this VW? Maybe an Atlas? Let's take a look here. Yeah, VW Atlas SE V6. And Ford Edge, titanium. In an earlier video, they had some of these titaniums are brand new, so I suspect this is probably fairly low mileage. It's got the big screen on it, you can see over here. And yeah, 420 miles, so pretty much almost brand new. No sunroof in it though. Just walk over. I don't know if I've seen that BMW SUV before. Looks pretty nice. Okay. Actually, we'll just keep the camera rolling here. We'll quickly go over. You see in the earlier clip, there were a bunch of a bunch of Polestars. Most of them are gone. There's still a couple. We got 3 Tesla Model S's. It looks like we got about 4 of these Polestars total. And I think we got 2 of the Nissan Leafs. SV. And then just on the other side here is kind of where they park their reserve cars. And it looks like, again, just because it's a weekday, there's a Jeep Wrangler and a couple more minivans. This one's got a hardtop. Actually, earlier I saw one in the aisle that had a soft top on it, which is pretty rare. First time I've seen one, a rental with a soft top on it.